We do find out that Cass is kind of calling on some things maybe he even shouldn't be calling on to help his cause, and ultimately his intentions are good, but as we've kind of played with for 6 seasons on Supernatural, you know, the road to hell is paved with good intentions. So we see Cass as an angel struggling with, do I use this? Is this proper? Am I being altruistic or am I being power hungry? And so we see this wonderful internal struggle. And the boys are sort of caught up in the middle because we have our own sort of goals with getting rid of the mother of all monsters.
I'm kind of having to go back to the way we used to do things, and that is, you know, hit the books and study and learn about how to battle these certain situations and these certain things. So, you know, it kind of opens up the door to a lot more storytelling as far as, you know, we've got, we just dealt with dragons, we've dealt with fairies, we've dealt with a lot of different things now, and I think that, not that we ran out of things to do before, but I just think this kind of opens up the door to a whole lot of other opportunities. I also know that we're going to start getting into what's going on up in heaven and to the big civil war between, you know, Castiel and Raphael and all that kind of stuff.